today is, I'm going to pull these potatoes. We had a frost warning again last night, ran out with blankets to my tomatoes and squash, and I'm just getting really tired of that. But they're looking tired. Everything went in a month late this year, so onions, whatever, I'm a little behind. The sizing isn't going to be that grand, and probably the same with the potatoes, but hopefully it's a good enough harvest. I am counting on these for my main crop, really. This is a midterm, and I have more over there, but I'm going to start right here. These are the red chieftains, and I'll show you what I've got. And that's my crow, who knows I'm out here, and he's screaming at me. What's up, pretty boy? What's up? What you want? Anywho, I'll get on with this, and I love digging for potatoes. It's one of those fun things, you never know what you're getting. Hello, hello, what you all doing? Oh, you're the same guy. What do you want? What you want, pretty boy? Who's a pretty boy? What you want? So I'm not sure how many plants are right here, but this is the before, and I'll show you the after. Okay, all done. I decided to dig them all up, what odds. So there's the red chieftain, the purple chief, and the very odd looking purple Peruvian fingerlings. They kind of look like little loopy doops, don't they? Looks like the cat got in there or something. Anyways, next year we hope for more space. But I still have a lot of the red Norlands that I picked the early. I've got baskets and a couple of baskets of those left. So I think this will have to do us for now. Just grabbed some tiny ones to show you what the potatoes look like inside. So we're up berry picking. Bruce is after the partridge berries there. And it's not the best year. Sorry for swinging you so fast. But I'll show you down here. Oh my goodness, it's not gonna work. I think I just found some cranberries. They're very similar to the partridge berry, but where they are right here is a little boggy, and you can see the moss and stuff. And they look just a bit different, so I'm guessing I found cranberries. Cool. So here we are up the hill, and there you can see my beds in the garden beyond. And this is where all the berries are, all the way over. It's a great little resource.